In this clip, we shall show you how to repair the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is repaired extramucosally. The repair is normally done in 2 layers using the absorbable sutures. The suture we will use for this exercise is 20 cat cut. You will be provided with the bladder in which you will make a cut and then repair it. Now, the first layer is applied in a continuous manner. This layer is applied extramucosally and serosa is avoided. The first stitch is applied and the knot tied. The short end of this suture is held on an artery forceps. This shall act as a stay suture. The repair is continued towards the other end, avoiding the mucosa. Here you can see that the repair is being made in such a way that mucosa is avoided. Once the other end is reached, a reef knot is tied. The short end is cut and the suture is continued in the opposite direction. This time the sutures are applied in a seromuscular fashion. Make sure that you bury the knot while doing this repair. The sutures are cut and the repair is complete.